Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water level pressure switch in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water level pressure switch. The water level pressure switch controls the amount of water entering the washer. If your washer overflows, does not fill up, or has an incorrect water level, the water level pressure switch should be checked and replaced if needed. To get the top off, we need to unscrew the steel screws. We're going to use the Phillips screwdriver and just take them out. To take the top off, slide it back about an inch, and then we can lift it off. This is the water level pressure switch that we need to replace. It's located on the right side, closer to the control panel. We're going to start with pushing down on the locking tab and disconnect the wire plug. Next thing would be using the flat blade screwdriver. We're going to press down on little tabs here, push it in, so we can open that locking tabs here and pull it out. Then I'm going to turn it over, squeeze this little, I can call it a wire clamp, and then pull off the air hose. This is the old water level pressure switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Here's the new water level pressure switch. We're going to start with putting on the air hose. Slide it on. And we're going to squeeze this wings of the wire clamp. You can call it ears. And push it in into the cutout till it locks in. Then we're going to connect the wire plug. Alright, so that's it. Now we can put the top back on, install it approximately an inch away from the front panel. Then we're going to slide it forward and it locks in. Let's secure the top to the cabinet with 2 Phillips screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.